Tada! Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SNC with Arewa. Thank you guys for joining me once again. Today, if you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can always get notified whenever I drop a new video so you can come and check it out. Also, this is the Yoruba and English channel, so méjèèjì ni mo máa sọ papọ̀ ní ibi báyìí. Thank you guys for joining me once again today. As you all know, my name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel. Thank you guys for always sticking around. Thank you for believing in me. Believing that whatever you hear is the truth. Thank you for always supporting this little brand of mine. I'm really, really grateful and I appreciate every single one of you out there. I'm really, really privileged to have you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Do not forget, for any advert, any support or donation towards this channel or for any other cause, do not hesitate to contact me. My contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to pin it in the comment section area. And again, do not forget to check out my new channel that I'm going to put between their link. I'm going to put it in the description box, and I'm also going to put it in the comment section. Just click on it. It'll take you to my new channel, Intimacy with Arewa, or it will take you to History with Arewa. I have 2 new channel. Kindly help your girl subscribe, watch, and comment. Thank you guys, and I really, really appreciate you. Ahead, advance. Thank you for joining me once again today. Let's move on. If you are new, welcome. I hope you still for the returning fans. Now, breaking news. Ewa nkan fidele. Ó ń gbóná fẹlifẹli. Ó ń gbóná ó yẹ kó ti yé yín náà. I'm a boss fún Nigeria. Now, ìròyìn tó ń dé sétí ìgbọ́ wa ní àṣà ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí ni wípé rògbòdìyàn tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú palace wa ní Ọ̀yọ́. There's an unrest going on in the palace in Ọ̀yọ́. We got to understand that the kingdom is on fire. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. That the kingdom just lost 2 queens to the street of Lagos. Wọ́n ti pàdánù olórí méjì sí títì wọn l'Ékòó. These 2 queens, they left yesterday. Àná ni wọ́n kúrò ní palace. Wọ́n dé Èkó ní 2 a.m. midnight ni wọ́n fi òwúrọ̀ wọ́n fi wọlé. Ó yé yín. Wọ́n disguise wọlé ní lóru. According to them, wọ́n ní wípé o, àwọn ti tired of the palace and the way the king is treating them. But they want to follow in the footsteps of Queen Ola, ìyẹn Badira footsteps, seeing that she's catching out recently, she just opened a hairdresser and the rest of it. So, but according to my source again, they said Queen Dami. Now, if you don't know who the Queen Dami is the one that Baba married last. I think he married Dami, I think late last year. But she had she gave birth this year. I think February or February or so. Ọmọ kékeré, that 23 years old girl. Òun ni Dami tí mò ń sọ yìí is the Dami. So, the source said Dami was locked up in the prison palace for like a week, as she has, she was said that she went against one rules of the palace, so she was locked up for a week in the prison. There's prison in the palace, maybe semi or mini prison in the palace. So she was locked up there. Her belongings were even taken away, from her. But after she was released, she just took few clothes, and then held down to Lagos with together with Queen Anu, and then the Queen Anu, in case you don't know who that one is, the Queen Anu is the one that did interview with BBC Yoruba some few weeks back, that was saying this is the best marriage of her life. Baba is this, Baba is that. If she had married a young guy, she may not have survived. Baba is kiniko, praising, doing all sort of things, indirectly, stylishly. Oúnjẹ kó máa yá àwọn ọmọ kékèké lé pé gbàgbé o, bàbá wà ńlẹ̀ o. Kò sí kan tó bá fẹ́ bàbá tí bàbá náà fẹ́ gbé sí ẹlẹ, kò sí wàhálà o. Interview yẹn tó ṣe gbogbo tó ṣe paparazzi tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó kàn máa ń tap on tap ẹ̀yin palm one tapper, just tapping into anything you see, tapping. Ẹ jẹ́ máa wò dáadáa kẹ́ tó máa tapping. Ilé ọlá níyànjú o. that she was praising, she was doing all those sort of things. So, and how many weeks now with the interview? And then this lady now come up for palace that she's tired of palace. She wants to come to Lagos. Èkó gangan lówó wà, Èkó ni ayé wà. Àwọn boys Èkó yẹn dà pé àwọn èèyàn tún ṣe kíni, wọ́n mọ òbòdó dáradára. Òun ló ṣe wà. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ ti rí Bádírá. Wọ́n wá mọ̀ pé ṣé mo yé èèyàn tí Bádírá ń fẹ́. Bádírá já. But at the end of the day, ibo ni bàbá tí ẹjọ́ ṣé kò ń ṣe nǹkan yìí, ṣé kò ń ṣe ìtìjú. Ẹ má worry o, wọ́n máa bọ́ta lọ́la máa debunk ẹ o. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ti mọ̀ wọ́n o. Wọ́n máa bọ́ta lọ́la máa debunk ẹ. At the end of the day, ṣebí tí Bádírá báyìí bí mo ṣe sọ tí Bádírá nìyẹn tán ní irọ́ ni, tán debunk ẹ. At the end of the day, ẹ má worry, máa fún yín update. Mo fẹ́ bá Queen Dami sọ̀rọ̀, ọ̀dọ̀ mo ti bá àánú sọ̀rọ̀, but mo fẹ́ bá Dami sọ̀rọ̀. Ó yẹ yín, màá update bọ́rọ̀ yẹn bá ṣe ń lọ later. Ẹ dẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ kú ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn lọ́yọ̀ọ́ o. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ káwọn olórí yín. Queen Anu, sorry, before I go forward. Queen Anu is not just leaving palace for the first time. She has run away before. This is the second time she's running away. But Queen Dami have not run away before. This is her own first time of running away. Show you. Remember that Badira ran away 3 times. But let's move ahead. I will be filming if it happen. Meanwhile, it was day before yesterday. Sorry, I'm a boy, no nǹkan. Day before yesterday, Kábíyèsí took Olori Omo and one Olori that had triplets that he went to go and buy land for them in Ibadan. I don't know. They said they want to build mansion. I mean, I don't know. And then the second, that was day before yesterday. And all of a sudden, the two queen left yesterday. Ó lágbára gan. So, but let's move on. Let's move on. Mo fẹ́, I want to say a very, very big thank you to Tinubu. Bàbá, ẹ ṣé gan ni, ọmọ rẹ̀ bí iyán ni yín. Ẹ kú ọmọ ènìyàn ṣe. Ẹ kú ọmọ ènìyàn ṣe, ẹ kú ìnáwó, ọmọ òní bá gbèsè ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. In fact, ẹ try tí ò ń ṣe kékeré, mo gbóríyìn fún yín. Mo tún gbèdì, mo tún jùrù kẹrẹ, ẹ kò lè rí mi ni, mo jùrù kẹrẹ dí sí yín gan sef gan. Mo kí yín, mo gẹ̀ yín. Mo yìn yín pé ẹ kú ìnáwó, owó lẹ ná. Ẹ kú ìnáwó, ẹ kú ọmọ ènìyàn ṣe, ẹ kú ojú àánú. Ẹ kú kó lè dáa. Ẹ kú ọrọ̀ yín. Ẹ ǹlẹ́ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú ìnáwó. Gbogbo mo sure pé Odùduwà tó jẹ́ bàbá ńlá yín nínú grave. Sorry o, Odùduwà tèmi sọ yìí o. Odùduwà identity theft tí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá sọ pé wá láti Mecca yẹn mò ń bá wí o, kò òun ni forefather sí Daddy wa Tinubu àtàwọn kan. But kò ṣe Odùduwà tó wá láti Saudi yàtọ̀ sí Odùduwà tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Mo sure pé Odùduwà yẹn o, ó máa wà happy tó máa jẹ́ kíni. Ó yẹ kẹ́ gba award gan. A máa gbé kudos fún yín pé ibi tí mo bá ṣẹ́ dé, ọmọ ilé bá ṣẹ́ lọ láti bẹ̀. Even òkú Don Fodio gan, àwọn bá tún máa ṣàdúrà fún yín pé ibi tí mo bá ṣẹ́ dé lára àwọn Fúlàní àtàwọn Haúsá yìí, ọmọkùnrin yìí ó gbé ẹrù yẹn sórí, ó dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa. Don Fodio will be very, very proud of you. And then the identity stealing of Oduduwa, the one that say came from Mecca, he said will be proud because òun ló máa bírú èèyàn tí àwọn Daddy wa Tinubu yìí tí wọ́n jẹ́. Ẹ kú ìnáwó, ẹ kú èèyàn, ẹ kú ọrọ̀, ẹ kú kó lè dá, ẹ kú tapo yín tẹ̀ ń lé kiri, ẹ ǹlẹ́ ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ kú, wọ́n ní kí yín ni mò ń kí yín ni o. Mò ń kí yín pé ọmọ dáadáa ni yín, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú kó lè dá. So information táwa gbọ́ ni wípé Tinubu donated or gave the Northerners $1 million to build an Islamic school in the north. Ṣé pé ó tó ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn? Is that not enough for me to greet to appreciate, to thank him that he tried? He tried. He gave the Northerners $1 million to build an Islamic school for them. Owó rèé. Èèyàn ni as he did not try to ṣe gbọ́ mi dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tútù sọ. Tinubu ṣe ó fún gbà tó lọ sí north, ó wá fún àwọn north ní $1 million sí. Sorry, 1 billion, ṣé 1 billion? $1 million sí. Ipe kí wọ́n fi kọ́ Islamic school fún wọn lọ́hùn. Ṣé ẹ rí pé ọmọ dáadáa ni Tinubu ìṣá? ṣé rí wípé Don Fodio tó kàn àwọn Haúsá lẹ́rú ọ̀tá àwọn Fúlàní ẹ̀ ṣé rí pé inú ẹ̀ máa dùn ẹ̀jẹ̀ Don Fodio níbẹ̀ ní bàbá yìí ti wá o wọ́n sọ wọ́n ṣàní kí n dúpẹ́ ní àwọn Arewa ní kí n kíyín kí n gẹ̀yìn kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ẹ ṣé o ẹ kú ìnáwó sí fún àwọn owó tí ẹ fún àwọn pé káwọn kọ́ Islamic school pé ẹ ṣé o on behalf of àwọn táàjọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire àtúnṣe kí ni àtúní pé kàtún kíyín pé ẹ kú ìnáwó o. Let's move on. Governor Seyi Makinde, Honorable Governor of Oyo State. Mi ò mọ̀ mi mo ṣe fẹ́ gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kalẹ̀. This is a governor that me particularly, personally, I really love the way his tenure is going. I'm really proud of him, and I really appreciate him so far. So far, I really appreciate him. But pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó happen yìí, I am struggling not to have a mixed feeling about him. I'm really struggling. Nítorí wípé ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí man yìí ó kọjá rádaràda. Mo fẹ́ believe wípé the advisor to the governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, that advisor, you need to sack that person. I don't know, maybe the person is a he or a she, whoever the person is, or whatever gender the person is. That person needs to be sacked. Governor, tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi. Ṣé rí ẹni tó ń gbà yín nímọ̀ràn, bóyá ọkùnrin àbí obìnrin ni, ẹ kọ́kọ́ sá, ẹ jáwé sáàkì fún kókó máa lọ kó má ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Or bóyá ó nárùn ọpọlọ, bóyá kẹ́ ẹ jọ kẹ́ ẹ gbé lọ sí, bóyá ó nídìí kí wọ́n ṣí ọpọlọ ẹ̀ bí ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí epo lè ti ta sí lọ́pọlọ. Because ṣé rí advice tó fún yín lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, wàláì, ó fẹ́ bà ti yín jẹ́ ni. Ó fẹ́ ṣe kí ni? Ó fẹ́ bà ti kò ń ṣe advice gidi. Ẹ need láti get another advice kẹ́ sáàkì eléyìí. Torí ìmọ̀ràn tó gbà yín yìí, kò ṣe dá o, kò gbà yín dáadáa o. Governor of Oyo State released 100 million naira to renovate the palace of Ogbomoso. And then he now went to the parent and he said, quote unquote, to the parent of the boy that lost their child, to give them 1 million naira. You get me? The difference is 99 million naira is the difference between the two. The people that their child died is giving them 1 million naira just to renovate the palace. You know, this one is a distress money release. So you mean there's 100 million lying about everywhere that you could, under how many days? It just came out from nowhere. This is a state that people are hungry. This is a state that people are not even happy. This is a state that, look at all the youth. Look at what the youth, even the youth that are protesting. Katia was like, okay, maybe we don't know what's going on before, but during this protest, look at all the youth that came out in Ogbomoso. Now, you now, under Saturday, Sunday, suddenly, it is easy for the government to release 100 million to renovate the palace, like material things, to renovate I'm not saying the palace does not want that 100 million, or the king, Seun Ogbomola, does not want, Seun Ogbomoso does not, want that 100. That is not what I'm trying to say. And I know quite all right that definitely money cannot, wake up, the boy that was, that is dead. Yeah. But at the same time, I don't think it is proper or it is called for. You just want to give the family 1 million naira. Lekon that went to Big Brother Naija came back. I'm not criticizing Lekon. I'm really, even though people want me to talk about it, people want me, but me, I just tell people that discuss Lekon's matter. But I will say something about this now. They give him this. I'm like, Ọlọ́run gbọ́ àdúrà ẹni. Ọlọ́run gbọ́ àdúrà Lekon ni. Lekon kan gangan ni kíni. Àwọn tó ń ṣe, okay, Lekon Bota, governor for Ogun State, is giving him a governorship, appointment, give him money, give him house, But ìyẹn kọ́ lèmi fẹ́ sọ. I'm not criticizing what he got or what he not got. Ọlọ́run àdúrà tí ẹ gbà nìyẹn, ó gbà náà dẹ̀ nìyẹn. Owó gbogbo wa náà ni gbogbo ẹ̀ náà. Ọlọ́run sọ pé òun fẹ́ là nìyẹn, kó dẹ̀ là. Fine. Now, if it was so easy like that, this is a town. It is not even only one person that was killed in that protest in Ogbomoso. I am not supporting the way they ransacked the palace. That is not what I'm even talking about now. I am talking about how can you say you want to give 1 million naira to the parent of the boy that was killed, and then suddenly you brought out 100 million to renovate the palace? The equation, far. Even look at the house of the parent. Look at the house of those people where they are living. Can't you just renovate that one for them too? Tó bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé bóyá 10 million naira lẹ́ni pé fẹ́ fún àwọn tó yọ ọmọ wọn ṣaláìsí, at least ẹ fẹ́ fún àwọn ẹni tí ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣaláìsí ní 1 million. Ẹ wá fẹ́ fi 100 million fi renovate palace. Ṣé ẹ rí wípé ẹni tó gbà yín nímọ̀ràn yẹn, ẹni yẹn fẹ́ kàn tì yín ni o. Ẹni yẹn kò fẹ́ tì, èmi dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín, àwọn èèyàn nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín ju gbogbo ilé tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe yìí lọ. Kò bọ́ sí rárá, governor kò bọ́ sí, kò ṣe dá, ẹ má bínú, ṣe lè dá. Ṣe dá rárá àti rárá. 100 million naira to renovate the palace. Just 1 million, just 1 million to the parent, to the family of the boy that was killed. Even the police that did that job, that killed that boy, you ain't even saying anything concerning that. It's still on the streets, still working. Ẹ wá lọ sílé yẹn, ẹ wá ní ẹ fẹ́ fún wọn ní 1 million. Ẹ wá ní kán lọ kó 100 million, kán lọ bá fi kọ́ palace. Padà. Ilé táwọn òbí ọmọ yẹn gan pé gan, ẹ̀yin gan ò lè wọlé kẹ́ jókòó ńbẹ̀. Ọmọ yìí dẹ̀ kàn ní ọmọ kan ṣoṣo tí bàbá yẹn lóhun ní. Ẹ wá àwọn family ẹ̀. Kò tẹ̀sẹ̀ tó máa rí wọn tí ò ní tí ara abiyamọ ò ní ta. Ẹ wo bí tí wọ́n ń gbé, wọlé tí wọ́n ń gbé. Ọmọ tó ti rò kó máa dirú, ó máa digba tó máa gbá wọn kúrò nínú ìyà. Ọmọ yẹn ni wọ́n kàn ti ẹ̀ pa bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Mi ò ní ìlẹ́ni kan pọ́nmọ́ o. Kò ń ṣe fault yín o, kò lè ń ṣe fault kábíyèsí, kò ń ṣe fault anybody. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Àmọ́ ìmọ̀ràn ilé tẹ́ bá gbà pé fẹ́ fún wọn ní 1 million péré, ẹ fẹ́ lọ fi 100 million lọ máa fi kọ́ palace yẹn. Governor, ẹ rò dáadáa o, ẹ tú rò. Ṣé rí ẹni tó advice ní advice ẹ sáàkì ẹni náà, mo ń sọ fún yín. Ẹ sáàkì ẹni náà. Ẹ tú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wò, ẹ tú rò dáadáa torí ẹ ṣe léyìí dáadáa o. Ẹ ṣe léyìí dáadáa rárá àti rárá. I gave out a piece of opinion the previous last podcast that I did, and I'm really happy that my suggestion is being put to use now. I think the youth are creating a party now. I was really happy when it started trending. I am really happy. And I was so filled with joy. But okay, but nonsense mo sọ yẹn, you until this sense nínú ẹ̀. Even though àwọn èèyàn ní mọ̀ pé bí báyìí ni mo ti kọ́kọ́ sọ ọ̀nà do whichever place it is. But ṣé rí àwọn olórí wa yìí, we are youth. We are the major. Look at how it was so easy for them to just be, killing. Those are kids. Ọmọ kékèké. Did you see how easy? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jọlọ́pàá náà. You are actually, you are tormenting the people that you are supposed to be safeguarding. Tomate ni Yorùbá máa ní tó bá rányàn níṣẹ́ ẹrú yẹn á fi tọmọ jẹ. Tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ yín nìyẹn ńkọ́, ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá. Peaceful protest. Wọ́n mú bọ́n dání, wọ́n má dá wọn mú kankan dání. Look at the way you people are doing them. Youth, we are more than them. We can do this if we put our mind to it. If we have the way we had one voice to protest, we can have one voice. We can actually establish this project. Ká tiẹ̀ lé àwọn people ìlérè, ká tiẹ̀ gbìn wọ́n, ká mì wọ́n jìgbìnjìgbìn. Káwọn náà mọ̀, kí wọ́n mọ̀ ìwúlò wa, ká kàn fi rá wọn lójú just ká kàn fi film trick yẹn hàn wọ́n. They are not fighting for anybody's future. You see those leaders, They are not fighting for your future. They are not fighting for you. They are already in their own future. They are not fighting for anybody's future. Because they themselves, they are in their future. Their children's generation future is already fixed somewhere. So they are not, they could care less if your future is good. They are not after. You need to get up. Let us get up and undo our future ourselves. Anchor our future ourselves. We can do it. We can come together. We can get a party of our own. We can establish ourselves. Ẹni tá bá tẹ̀ máa fà kalẹ̀ gan sef gan gbogbo òòṣà Ògún 401 òòṣà tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ kó wọn lọ sí di ekele fún gbọ́n máa búra fún wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀yin APC ṣé Tinubu tẹ́ fẹ́ fà lẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́yìn Yorùbá tó lọ fún wọn lówó ní north pé ó tó lọ ń kádúró owó fún wọn kọ́kọ́ lọ máa kọ́ Islamic school ṣé rí pé misplaced priority Tinubu ti wọlé lára ṣé ti pé misplaced priority ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ protest kò ṣe protest ṣé ti gbọ́ tó bọ́ta tó sọ anything àbí tó ṣe anything ṣé ti gbọ́ anything gbogbo time COVID-19 lockdown tí pé tí wọ́n kún palliative fáwọn àwọn tó wà nínú náà ẹjọ́ kí ni Tinubu ṣe fún gbogbo yín tẹ́ jẹ́ Yorùbá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yín kí ló ṣe fún yín ọdún wọn ní kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ni bàbá Tinubu ẹ ṣe kú náwó lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ continue bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe yẹn gan ni kẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe yẹn gan ni kẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe òun ni gbogbo owó gbogbo ọlà gbogbo ọrà gbogbo nǹkan náà tẹ́ ń lé kiri náà kò fìná lára yín kò fìná lára wọn gan torí it's not looking healthy tálíkè mi gan fresh gan ju bàbá Tinubu gan lọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo owó pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹ̀ náà àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń gbé lára wọn Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi. Thank you guys.